Welcome back. Today we are going to work with faces. So let's start to do that together. Let's import CV2. Let's read the image from my machine face.png. Then let's display this image. Let's convert it to gray first. CVT color, IMG, CV2 color, BGR2 gray. So let's display it now. I am show IMG. Let's wait a key and let's destroy all windows. I think name of the image is not correct, so that's it. So I have Albert Einstein image and I need to detect the face on this image. So first you need to download this file if you don't have. So just search for Google for that one and search for this file and try to download it if you don't have. I will download this file and put it in same path. Face cascade equal to CV2 dot. So first you need to create cascade classifier. So the cascade classifier we are using for faces, so I need to use the XML file that I explained to you how you can download. So after creating the classifier, we are going to call that cascade to detect multi-scale faces. So I'm going to use the gray image 1.1 and 4. Then for each XY width height, so for each rectangle exist in faces, I'm going to draw that rectangle. CV2.rectangle. The image, the first point, XY, second point, X plus width, Y plus height, the color, and the thickness. Let's run this. And we are able to detect Albert Einstein face. So if we have more than one face in the image, so let me create another face and run this again. So we are able to detect more than one face in the image. So face 1 and face 2. So now I need to detect the eyes. So you need also to download this XML as I explained for faces. So to detect the eyes, try to search for this file and download it using one of these links. And then you need to create another cascade classifier, but for eyes. And I'm going to use this XML instead. So exactly same. So I'm going to detect eyes, and I will change this to eyes, and let's copy this for loop and do it same but for eyes, and let's run what we have. So now we are able to detect faces using face cascade, and we are able to detect eyes using eyes cascade classifier. There's more than this. There's human classifier. So people doing a lot of things on internet. You can just download the XML file you need and you can check. You can build your classifier. So let's delete face and keep eyes. And here are our results. So just change your XML file. Maybe you can build your own, or maybe you can use one from internet and you can build your own detector and classifier. Thanks for watching and see you in the next session.